Hey everyone, so today I wanted to talk about eco-friendly tips that you can use in your home. So just ideas that you can use for going green. These are things that I've started doing and I've been doing for quite a while now, but I've never talked about in a video, and I feel like this is something that's very important. So let's get into it. The first thing that I have done and continue to try to do is limit my use of plastic. So I haven't bought water bottles in ages. My husband and I usually just fill up a pitcher that we have of tap water, and we have to-go bottles, we have reusable bottles that we like to use. The other thing that I'm trying to do is limit my use of paper products. So no paper towels, no paper plates. I really like to use just a dishcloth for everything. I will use our ceramic plates instead, no paper cups. I think every little bit matters, and I used to use paper towels quite a bit and paper napkins. I use a dishcloth for everything. That's something I have improved on. So another thing I like to do, and something that I really want to do more of this year, is use biodegradable products. So I want to reuse like makeup wipes. I want to use makeup wipe removers that are biodegradable, trash bags, just things like that. And the other thing that I've been using recently are these toothbrushes. These are eco-friendly toothbrushes, and they come in a 4-pack, plus one free travel case. These are also organic, recyclable, non-plastic, biodegradable, and compostable toothbrushes. The bristles are also naturally made by bamboo charcoal, so while reducing the impact on the environment, you can use green products like these toothbrushes that use natural ingredients that break down into the earth, requiring less energy to recycle. So there are a few different colors of these guys and also a travel case. And these kind of toothbrushes are something I've seen for a while online, and I decided to reach out to this brand because I wanted to work with them because I really believe in what they're doing. And I thought this was perfect timing because I wanted to make this video, and this really goes together. So if you guys want to find out more about these toothbrushes, I'll put a link down below so you guys can check them out. The next thing I should mention is something I just touched on before, but using reusable things. Like I travel with my metal straws. If I want to use a straw, I just started throwing those in my bag in a little travel case. Also taking reusable coffee cups, tote bags. I love using tote bags, and it's so much better than having a plastic bag every time you go out. If you go out shopping, if you're going to, I love going to the bookstore or even the library, like I will carry my tote bag, especially to get groceries, things like that. Plus there are so many cute canvasy tote bags. I really, really love scrolling through Etsy for tote bags, but yeah, I have like a big one from Ipsy, which you guys might have seen on my Instagram, and I love that one. I also have an LACC tote bag, but I love me a good tote bag. Another thing that I love to do is buy used items instead of new items. So going thrift shopping, going to vintage shops. Vintage shops can be kind of pricey, but going to Goodwill or places like that where you can just go in, have an idea of what you're wanting to look for, like maybe it's a denim jacket, maybe it's, you know, something that you will probably find. Plus it's better because it's more unique, I think. I've found so many amazing pieces at thrift stores that I absolutely love. In the summertime, I like to be super bright and colorful. I didn't used to like to play with color like I have been lately, but I have like this really bright boho skirt that I absolutely love. It's super thin, and it feels like I'm not wearing anything. Like honestly, that's why I love it when it's really hot here in the summertime in California. And I have this one piece, like this jumpsuit that's very bright, and it has just a very bright pattern, but I got it at a thrift store, and I absolutely love wearing that in the summertime. You can also donate some items, you can upcycle items so you're not buying something new. So it's all about just reducing, reusing, upcycling, recycling. Another thing that I am learning how to do, which I feel like I should already be like a good DIY person at this, is DIY house products, like house cleaning products. Vinegar, using vinegar and baking soda to clean things. So just using products and ingredients that I already have in my home, that's something that I am working on this year. Gardening is the next thing that I wanted to talk about. There is a spot in our back patio area that would be perfect for a garden. And Kyle and I keep talking about this. We're like, we have to start a garden this year. And I would love to do that. I would love to have our own tomatoes, herbs. I would love to have peas, things like that, just anything. We have a perfect spot back here where it's like, why don't we have that started already? So that's something that I also want to do this year, is just start a garden and maintain it, because I've been really into plants and gardening lately. Ever since I took that biology class, I've been more into plants. Another thing that I kind of touched on earlier was drinking tap water. This is key, and this is something that I wasn't so good at when I was younger, but now I am. Like, I really do like to reuse our water pitcher and I will just refill that thing. And sometimes I'll put lemon in it, sometimes, you know, like lemon slices, sometimes I'll put like some fruit and stuff like that, but I'll fill up the pitcher from the tap and stick it in the fridge and it's perfect. Another thing that I'm gonna mention that is controversial, so this will be a separate video later, but I'm not vegan and I'm not a vegetarian. However, I am more mindful and careful about where I get my meat or knowing where my meat is coming from. Plus, I don't eat as much meat as I was eating before. But yeah, more on that in another video. The last thing I'm gonna mention is supporting brands that are green. Supporting brands that have biodegradable products, brands that plant trees when you buy a product or something like that. Voting with your dollar. That's what this is about. So yeah, these are all things that I have been doing and things that I am improving on. And if you have other ideas, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys like to do to kind of go green and just do things a little bit better than you have before or from when you were younger. What things can we all do to help the planet out a little bit? Because girl, she is dying. Anywho, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys are having a great day. And again, I would love to read your comments down below. So if you have any ideas of going green, if there are things that you like to do that I didn't mention in this video, please let me know about it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.